To the Faraday's laws of the electromagnetic induction. Here there will be a two experiment. Already we know the bar magnet moving. Another one is the current is increasing. But what happened in the experiment means the bar magnet means already we know the north pole to south pole means the magnetic field lines producing. So the magnetic field line starting from the north pole at the end in a south pole. So here it is the bar magnet moving towards the coil means here the magnetic field lines crossing the coil. So the time it is very close means the magnetic field lines crossing the coil. The time magnetic flux is linked with the coil. So here it is moving very faster or very slower means increase the magnetic flux. Here increase the magnetic flux means here change the magnetic flux linked with the coil. So that time produce the induced EMF. So after that removing from the bar magnet means the magnetic field lines is less to the coil. So that time change the magnetic flux means so decreasing the magnetic flux. Before we are moving towards the coil means increase the magnetic flux. After that removing the bar magnet means so decreasing the magnetic flux. So the magnetic flux changes means here it is produced the induced EMF. So after here in that experiment means here current flowing in a coil means the magnetic field is produced. So here it is a neighboring coil, that is the secondary coil means the current is increases means the magnetic field lines crossing the secondary coil. So increases means the increase the magnetic flux. Here change the magnetic flux means galvanometer get the deflection. After that decreasing means the magnetic flux is linked with the secondary coil is decreasing. So here is EMF is induced, galvanometer get the deflection. That finally the two experiment means the bar magnet moving towards the coil, leaving from the coil. After that here current is increases or decreases means the magnetic flux changes in a closed coil. So then only the induced EMF in a electrical circuit. So that is called the electromagnetic induction. So now moving to the Faraday's laws of the electromagnetic induction. But they are giving the two laws. First law means whenever the magnetic flux linked with the closed circuit changes, the EMF is induced in a circuit. So as long as the magnetic flux changes, the EMF is induced. So that is the first law. Magnetic flux changes ஆனா மட்டும்தான் நமக்கு என்ன ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, EMF induced ஆகும்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ செகண்ட் லாவை பொறுத்த வரையில என்னன்னு சொல்லிடுறோம்னா the magnitude of the induced EMF. Magnitude of the induced EMF in a closed circuit is equal to the time rate of change of the magnetic flux linked with the circuit. Rate of change already d by dt ங்கிறது தெரியும். Here we can change the magnetic flux. Induced EMF in a circuit, that is the magnitude, is equal to time rate of change of the magnetic flux linked with the circuit. Now here we can using the coil means number of the turns. So now here using the N, that means number of the turns in the coil d pi b by dt. So that is the number of the turns is also changes means write down that equation d n b b by b by dt. So that is the equation of the electromagnetic induction of the Faraday's laws. Here that is the n pi, that means it is the flux linkage, the product of the number of the turns and magnetic flux linking the each turns, magnetic flux linking each turn of the coil is called the flux linkage. That is another 2 mark question. What is the flux linkage means? Product of the number of the turns and magnetic flux linking each turns of the coil. So that is called the flux linkage. So that is the law of the Faraday's laws of the electromagnetic induction.